We fight against environmental crimes.
Welcome to Environment Front channel. Today we are discussing the status of COVID-19 vaccine and increase in demand of ventilators in India. As you know that the COVID-19 is a killer, and across the world people are facing a very serious threat. The status of COVID-19 vaccine and increase in demand of ventilators in India. As of now, COVID-19 has infected more than 6.7 million people across the world and caused 3.76 fatalities. And in India, number of confirmed cases of 199, about 2 lakhs, and fatalities are 5,598. As per experts, at least 1 lakh ventilators should remain in the stockpile in India to handle the pandemic. According to Brookings report, if the number of cases escalated over 2 lakhs, the ventilators may be required. While ventilators may not treat the disease, they give patients the time to fight it. At the same time, scientists and medical researchers are working tirelessly to develop potential treatment and vaccine for the highly infectious new coronavirus disease. India will soon begin clinical trials on the Bacilli calamity during BCG vaccine on 6,000 high-risk individuals. It will be done to understand its safety and efficiency in boosting immunity in fight against COVID-19 disease, and whether or not the BCG shots can reduce the severity of this highly infectious disease. The Bacillus calamity during BCG vaccine is used against the tuberculosis to boost immunity of the individual. Bharat Biotech International Limited (BBIL) has teamed up with the Indian Council for Medical Research (ICMR) to develop COVID-19 vaccine. On the world's largest vaccine maker of the world by volume, Pune Serum Institute of India is working with the University of Oxford to make millions of potential coronavirus vaccines doses. The Indian government has donated 100 crore for the PM Care Fund to support the initiative of producing a COVID-19 vaccine. The US-based Moderna Therapeutics said that it had received approval from the FDA, Food, Drugs and Administration, to conduct the phase 2 clinical trials of the potential COVID-19 vaccine. mRNA 1273 vaccine carries the molecular instructions for the human cells and instruct them to make the viral protein. This kickstart body immune system to fight the virus. Apart the Moderna, there is a Inovio Pharmaceutical is developing a DNA-based vaccine to its San Diego lab. US drug maker Pfizer has teamed up with the German company BioNTech to develop a vaccine for COVID-19. Both the companies are working together on our RNA vaccine, on 4 RNA vaccines. Johnson & Johnson is currently working on an adventurous, currently working on advirus-based vaccine and plans to initiate a phase 1 clinical study in September 2020. A ventilator is a crucial equipment in fighting the COVID-19 pandemic, as the virus directly attacks the respiratory system, but India is unable to cope up with the rising number of cases. Previously, India imported ventilators mostly from Europe or China, but from the last few months, Mahindra and Mahindra is set to be working with SK Anare Technologies to produce 30,000 ventilators every 6 weeks. And Maruti Suzuki has partnering with Noida-based AGVA Healthcare to produce 1,000 ventilators every month. Bharat Heavy Electricals said it will support Agua Healthcare in providing them with the electronic chips for the ventilators. Even startups are producing ventilators with the unique features. E-thermal machines, a Bengaluru tech startup is working in collaboration with the Aster hospitals on 3D printed ventilator respirators, which can treat 2 or more patients with a single machine. IIT Kanpur incubated start. UP Noida Robotics develop an invasive ventilators prototype that allows ventilators to be connected to a mobile phone so that doctors can monitor patients. Another firm, Dynamic Technologies, aims to manufacture up to 50,000 pneumatic or disposal ventilators which do not need electricity to maintain airflow. This is a crucial moment for us and our country. We believe that you can bring a change by supporting the initiative. We will be donating a fixed amount from donations you give to us for the cause of COVID-19 patients. As a member of the society and human beings, we request you to continue taking strides towards the better of society and environment. We are exempted from IT. Please donate on the name of Environment Fund Institute, Mumbai, payable at account number 6300726762, IFSC code SBIN 0030366. Thank you very much.